Hello viewers, welcome to my channel after a long time. So last viewed I cannot upload my video because my personal reason. So now I am resolve my issue and now I again started giving video about the server for you. So viewers, no further delay, let's begin the video after the intro. So viewers, you can see that our computer is beginning for the report offense. So we press viewers, you can see our computer is ready for the offense. So we press on control to delete and I control to delete and I paste my administration password. So I paste on. So viewers, so for applying, so in this video we going to talk about the group policy management. So we need to at first we need to sign in domain controller. So now we sign in our domain controller is already done. So now we open our server manager and server manager. So server manager is starting. So you can see the server manager is open. So now we go to group policy management. Group policy server is loading. So we waiting some time. So viewers, you can see our group policy manager is off. So now we extend our forest. Our forest is mypower.com and click on the group policy app object. So viewers here our group policy manager. So now we open our domain isp.com and click on the group policy or object. Yes, viewers, you can see the group policy app. The group policy object is two part. One is domain controller, two is from group different domain policy. So now we click connection menu. Now we click connection menu and we create new group GPO in the domain. So now objects, so like give the GPO name is data. Okay, GPO name is okay. As you can see, the GPO is already created. Then secondly, we create another GPO. It's like its name Citero. Sorry, still no. I gave its name is Mortally. Our second GPO is created create and our last now I last created my last GPO its name is body shell. Body shell. Okay, now I create the three GPO and so verify the GPO. So now I verify the group GPO object list. You can see the uh, group GPO is enabled. So now I click on the Active Directory Administrator. So viewers, after creating the 3GPO in the group policy, so viewers, after creating 3GPO in the group policy management, so now I go to the tools, more tools, and the open the Active Directory Administration Center and click on the ISA blocker and find out the user. So I find sorry viewers, sorry for mistake. So user is maybe find last. Okay, here is users. So now I click on new. Here I click on new and group. Then I create a new group like if that this group name is the Data GPO editor. The group type is secure and group is global. Everything is okay. Okay, then I found the next member of the group filter. I add the member. I click click the name. So now this time I cannot create the member. So I add the member after some time. Then click on OK. Then again I create on the another group. This group name is Natalie editor. Again group type is secure, group scope is mobile, and okay. Then again our last one, our last group is body cell editor. Your editor. Everything okay. So guys, viewers, now this function is work is done. So then so viewers, after creating the group, now we create the organizational unit. New click on new organizational unit. This unit name is data computers. Okay. I cannot provide the address. Everything just I click OK. Managed by this type of thing I do later. So okay. Now my this part is done. Now close Active Directory Center and click on the file manager, task from file manager. But okay, now double click on the click on the computers and double click on the C drive and create a new program, create a new group GPO backup, create a new folder line name GPO backup. Okay, my this done. Now close the Windows. Close the window. Okay, then guys, we work to see how to manage the group policy management. So now we again open the group policy manager and going select the Dhaka GPO. Okay, so manage again. Open the scope. Open the scope Dhaka GPO and delegate the tab. Part input it, import and import it, and click on add. Now I click on the add and then I select the computer, add the Dhaka GP editor. Now I add the Dhaka GP editor. Okay, viewers, Dhaka GP editor is successfully added. Then okay, then modify the security. Properties, modify the security manual setting it. Then settings. Add a group of results from the menu. Stop and then go to the delegation tab, then delegation tab at the page, and now click on the delegation tab, click on add and add the Dhaka GP editor. Check name. Sorry guys. So viewers, now I add the Dhaka GP editor. Okay. Delegation. Okay. Add the Dhaka GP editor now. Add on the user. This permission is read write modify security group. Okay, now add on the group. Okay, now add, click on. Okay, this time is done. Then again I open the group policy manager. Click on the group policy manager, click on Wakali and impose it and go to delegation. Click on add, click on Wakali. Okay, now I click on GP editor press OK, and its permission is editing setting and everything. Okay, this one add. Okay, then again I go to the group policy manager. I go to the group policy manager and I go the last one body shell and it impose and proceed, and I go to delegation and add the body shell check name body shell GP editor, permission is only read setting. Okay. So viewers, my this part is done already. Now I go to backup policy. The backup policy will in GPO location. So to the action menu and go to the backup. Please go to no sorry GPO and visit the action menu backup. So action menu scope link or the filter backup. Backup policy manager. So viewer, that's all for today. To this video, I cannot no more long. So please and please like, thank you for watching. Like and comment my and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone, and for inviting you for our next video.